Okay, I'm in Pennsylvania. It's January the 18th, and middle of the afternoon, I'm gonna start this mushroom grow kit. Just got back from Walmart. The kit was, if it could focus, $21.97 plus tax, $23.29. So here's the kit. It came in three different colors. I think they had a pink oyster, this what color is this one considered? I think it's some sort of just the normal standard one. But anyway, I'm gonna open it up and give it a go, and then come back and show everybody how it's working out for me. Again, it's a cold day. We don't get a lot of sun. I'm in my kitchen, and I'll try it out. Okay, so I opened the top of the box and I cut out the hole. Apparently the instructions are inside, which is a bit odd because you've already taken this piece out. But it says day one, remove the kit's perforated panel, cut an X into the substrate bag. So you were supposed to cut an X here. And then lift up the little pads, give a little scrape with the fork, and then soak them face down. So I'm going to do that next. I'm going to cut this and then soak it in a pan. And I have well water. I don't have city water with chlorine. I'm not sure if you did have chlorine or chlorinated water, if you'd want to let that sit out a couple days, your chlorinated water, to try to reduce the amount of chlorine, or possibly boil and let cool the your water if it does have chlorine in it. Okay, so I found a pan that's deep enough for it. Now it says to give this, just rough it up a little under this with a fork. Okay. Now I'm going to flip it upside down. And then if I put this pan in with the lid facing down, that black handle should hold this bit underwater. So now I'm going to give them some water. And notice it has this little, I'm not sure, I think that's a breather, an air thing for some reason. And the kit also came with this nice handy plastic spray bottle. Okay, we have the mushrooms in there soaking, and you save the box because that's what they're going to rest and grow in after about 6 to 10 hours of soaking. So I'll keep back and check every day what's going on. Okay, the bag has been in here about 8 hours, and it's quite a bit heavier. The instructions say just to put it back into the box there and go from there. So that's what I'm going to do. And that's a north facing window, and it's wintertime, so we're really not going to have any real sunlight in here. So I can put it anywhere in the kitchen. It should be fine. 24 hours have passed. I just wanted to give you a quick zoom. I don't see any little mushroom heads just yet, but it's quite early. Okay, it's day 3, and I really haven't seen anything. I'm going to give them, they gave you a little water bottle. Give them a little squirt. Pull up each flap and squirt them. Let me just zoom in a little and see if we can see any sort of change. Well, I say it takes a week or so, so I'm hoping it comes around. Okay, this is the 6th day, and I used up almost a full one of these in 5 days. So just roughly how much water I've been giving it. And you can see it looks like we got a lot of action there. We got some color. I am hoping that's the mushrooms. I'm going to give it they apparently grow pretty fast, so We should be seeing a lot by tomorrow. Okay, here we are on day 7, and when you zoom in, it's pretty neat. You can actually see they're all little baby mushrooms with gray heads. See them all starting to grow? So it's working. Just as the instructions said on day 7 and 6, they should start popping out, and they have on day 7. Okay, here we are on day 8, and quite a bit of growth from 7 to 8. You can see they've pushed, the little oyster mushrooms have pushed the plastic back, and they're bulging out. They're starting to like have crevices and deformities where some are just really pushing. But they're beautiful little mushrooms. I'm really looking forward to eating some in a few days. They've actually gone past the cardboard here. And the biggest ones seem to be down here, way past the cardboard. Okay, here is day 11. I skipped a couple days because I was away, so I did not water them, and they grew quite well. You can see I just watered them when I came home here, so that's why they're shiny there. But I would dare start eating them on day 11, so I was pretty impressed with all this. Maybe I'll give it another day or two before I wrap this up. Okay, today is day 12, and I'm officially going to have a mushroom, bean, and cheese tortilla here. But here's what they look like. I'm gonna maybe try to save the substrate, but look at all the little baby mushrooms in the back trying to come out. And you got these big guys in the front. I think the biggest one was that one there in the bottom, which I'm gonna chop off. So that's a 12-day-old mushroom, and I'm sure these are probably going to get a little bigger, but I'm going to go ahead and post this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and go out and get yourself some mushrooms.